Whether you're a student, a business professional, or someone trying to stay organized, Otter AI is one of the most powerful tools for taking notes, transcribing conversations, and keeping track of important details. If you've ever struggled to remember what was said in a meeting or found yourself lost in messy notes, Otter AI will make your workflow far smoother. Getting started is simple. Visit the Otter website and create a free account. You can sign up using your email, Google Sheet, or Microsoft account. The free plan already includes plenty of useful features, and if you want to explore more advanced tools, you can try the business plan trial to see if it's worth upgrading later. Once you log in, you'll land on the dashboard. The layout might look busy at first, but everything is easy to navigate. The Home tab gives you an overview of upcoming meetings, recent conversations, and synced calendar events. This is where you'll quickly check what's next on your schedule. The real power begins with Otter's transcription features. You can record live meetings directly inside Otter. Just hit the record button and the app will transcribe everything in real time, identify speakers, and separate dialogue for easy reading. If you missed a meeting or already have audio saved, you can import the file and Otter will transcribe it automatically. This alone saves hours of manual note-taking. After your recording is processed, Otter generates more than a plain transcript. It summarizes your meeting into clear key points, highlights decisions, and captures important follow-up tasks. If someone commits to sending a document or finishing a task, Otter marks it as an action item so nothing gets forgotten. It's like having a reliable assistant tracking what matters. One of Otter's most impressive features is AI chat. Instead of digging through a long transcript, you can ask Otter questions like, "What did we say about the budget?" or "What tasks were assigned?" and it will instantly pull the relevant information. This works across all your past conversations, making it incredibly useful for people juggling multiple projects. Otter also helps you stay organized through channels. You can create channels for different teams or topics and store transcriptions, notes, and documents inside each one. This keeps your work tidy and makes collaboration easier. You can even message teammates directly inside Otter to follow up on tasks or clarify discussions. To make things even smoother, Otter integrates with popular tools like Zoom, Slack, Google Calendar, Salesforce, and HubSpot. When synced with your calendar, Otter automatically reminds you about meetings and sends transcripts afterward. Everything stays connected, so you never lose track of important conversations. Exporting is simple as well. You can download transcripts as PDFs, text files, or audio files to share with your team or clients. If you prefer listening instead of reading, Otter lets you play back the meeting audio right inside the platform, making it easy to review or catch missed details. Otter offers multiple pricing levels. The free plan includes a generous amount of transcription minutes, perfect for personal or occasional use. For regular users, the Pro plan unlocks more minutes and advanced features. Teams and businesses may choose the higher tier plan for extensive collaboration tools and thousands of transcription minutes each month. In short, Otter AI is an incredibly powerful tool for anyone who deals with meetings, lectures, or detailed conversations. It handles transcription, summaries, action items, organization, and search all in one place, helping you stay focused, productive, and fully in control of your information.